on, guys? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Also, if you want to, get started investing and you haven't opened up your brokerage account, I'm gonna leave a couple of links in the description where you can, start your own portfolio, from my link. But hey, let's jump right into it. We're continuing our investing series, right? And in this particular video, I want to talk about investing in DGRO. DGRO is an ETF that it's a pretty popular ETF, and it's something that I have in my portfolio. I have a small position, but it's something that I'm looking to grow over time. But in this video, I want to take a little deeper dive into DGRO just to see how it looks, and if we made the right decision as far as investing in this particular ETF. And it may be something that you may want to look to add in your portfolio if you don't already invest in it as of now. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's take a look at DGRO. We're going to jump right over to Yahoo Finance. So give me 1 second here. And let's just see what we're working with. So you see iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. DGRO is the symbol. Scroll down here. Well, you see the last price is $62.65. It was up 40 cents on the last trading day, 0.64%. And let's scroll down here. You'll see just a little bit about DGRO. The fund generally will invest in at least 80% of its assets in the component securities of its underlying index and in investments that have economic characteristics that are substantially identical to the component securities of the underlying index. The underlying index is a subset of the Morningstar's U.S. market index XM, which is a broad market index that represents approximately 97% of, let me see if we get on here, if it's going to tell me everything. Yep, that represents approximately 97% of the market capitalization of publicly traded U.S. stocks. All right. So let's go back to the summary here. And as you see here, inception date was June 10th, 2014. So it's been a while. It's been around for quite some time here. Pop-ups. Been around since 2014. And you see the year-to-date total return, 18%, has a 2.20 yield. Expense ratio, 0.08%. And let's go over to the holdings. And as you see here, top 10 holdings, which represent 26.36% of total assets. I don't know why my screen is jumping like that. That's great. There we go. And you see the top 10 holdings are ExxonMobil, XOM, Microsoft, Apple, JP Morgan Chase, Chevron, Johnson & Johnson, Abbey, Broadcom, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble. Those are some pretty solid companies. Let me ask you, the top 10 holdings of DGRO, do you own any of these top 10 holdings? These are some pretty strong holdings here. Me personally, I do have Microsoft, I do have Apple, I do have Broadcom at the moment. Okay. So that's a strong list of the top 10 holdings. And you see the sector weightings, technology, 18%, financial services, 17%, healthcare, almost 17%, industrials, 11%, and so on here. No real estate. And you see the overall portfolio composition, 99% stocks. And yeah, so let's see here. Let's go to the performance. Looking good so far. You see DGRO's year-to-date return. Once again, I don't know why my screen's jumping here. Anyway, DGRO's year-to-date return 18.40%, and you see is beating a category here, which is up 15.90%. So outperforming. 1 year return DGRO up 31% compared to 27% category, and 2 year return 10%. Also outperforming, as you see here, 9.58%. And we can go to annual return history. Let's just take a look. 2023, 10.49%, down slightly. 2022, down 7.9%, a little bit higher than the peers here. 2021, 26%, pretty much in line, a little bit higher. And you see so on, 2029% compared to 2.91%. 2019 also outperformed, 29.88% compared to 25%. 2018 was down, but it was down less, So overall, you see 2017 up 23% compared to 15, 2016, 15 compared to 14. So overall, DGRO has been outperforming. So, and then you look at the trailing returns here versus the benchmark. Year to date, 18% compared to 15%, 1 month, 1.53 to 1.19, 3 month, 9.48 to 8%. And you see 1 year, 29 to 27, 10 year, outperforming all the way down compared to the benchmark. So, I like what I see in DGRO, and just from what we've seen here, I think it was a good investment to add DGRO to the portfolio from what I've seen here. So let's just take a look at its dividend payout. This is a quarterly paying dividend, so let's go to historical data. Let's go to, we want to see, I don't know why the screen is jumping like crazy here. Hold on. Let's stop this foolery here. I want to see dividends only, and I want to go to max. There we go. Let's scroll all the way down to 2014. So it started off pretty slow on dividends, 0.17, which is not, actually, it's not bad. Let me stop saying it. 0.09, 0.17, just scrolling up each quarter. See 2018, you're starting to see an increase, 0.19, 0.23. To me, anytime you start sliding over that 0.20, looks pretty good. You just see it steadily increasing over time. Hit 0.30 in 2021. It's been pretty steady, and all the way up to the last dividend that it paid out in September, 0.40. So that looks like the highest dividend that it's ever paid, 0.40. So yeah, I don't see anything higher than 0.40. So you like to see, once again, an ETF, especially a dividend ETF that's increasing in share price, increasing, with your returns, and increasing with your dividend payout. So to me, DGRO is a win-win. I'm glad I have it in my portfolio. I'm currently up 8% in my portfolio because it's part of my ETF portfolio, which I just started a couple months ago. So it's fairly new to the portfolio. So, but I'm up 8% already. And I think this is something that we're going to be investing in for the long term. And I like what I see. I like what I see out of DGRO. So let me ask you, are you invested in DGRO, the ETF? Do you currently have it in your portfolio? Have you heard of it before now? Is it something that you may want to look to add into your portfolio? Or do you have something similar that you currently invest in right now that you have in your portfolio? So just let me know. I appreciate the feedback as always. But yeah, for me, DGRO is an ETF that I'm excited to invest in for the long term. Everything that we've looked at looks like it's going to be here and continue to perform for years to come. So it's one that I'm glad I added to the portfolio, and I think it's going to perform very well over time. So, but yeah, that's it. Just want to take a little deeper look into DGRO, and let me know what you guys think about it. Are you currently invested in it? And but that's going to be it for this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you need some links to start investing, check the description. And I have a few links for you. You can use my links to sign up, start investing. But either or, you need to start investing and take advantage of some of these returns that's happening over time. A lot better returns than what you want to see by just holding your money in a bank account. So you have to get started. But that's all for this video. I will talk to you guys later.